Hello friends, welcome back to today's video. Last time we talked about why stars twinkle, and today we have another fun question. Why do we yawn? Have you ever noticed when someone yawns near you suddenly you also yawn? Funny, right? But why does this happen? Let's find out. A yawn is when we open our mouth wide, take a deep breath in, and then slowly breathe out. Scientists believe we yawn for a few reasons. The first one is to get more oxygen. That means when we are tired or bored, our body feels a little lazy. Yawning helps bring in more fresh air and keeps us energy. The second one is to cool down our brain. It means just like a fan cools us when it's hot, yawning helps keep our brain cool and active. The third one is it's copycat. It means when we see someone yawn, our brain copies them. That's why you feel like yawning when your friends does. Amazing, right? So, next time you yawn, remember your body is just helping you stay awake and fresh. A small message from my side. Our body is super smart. Even a simple yawn is a reminder that our body always takes care of us. That's all for today's fun fact. Next time, I'll come back with another fun question. Till then, keep smiling and stay curious. If you like my podcast, then please do subscribe.